Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You likely already have Excel open with a selection. First, identify whether you have a single cell, contiguous range, or non-adjacent multi-selection. Press ESC immediately to cancel copy mode or formula edit. This is fastest. Once done, click any single cell to move focus and clear a range. If you used Control to multi-select, use Control plus click on cells or ranges you want removed. Alternately, click a single cell to if your selection includes objects, switch to the selection pane and click an object name to toggle selection. Click the blank area in the pane to clear all. For rows or columns, press Shift plus space for a row or Control plus space for a column, then press ESC or click a cell to collapse that selection. Once done, use the name box to jump to a cell like A1 and click it to ensure only that cell is active. These steps handle non-standard selections efficiently. To finish, clear leftover copy mode with ESC. If you prefer a macro application, cut copy mode equals false removes the marching ants. Once done, click a safe cell to end the operation. If selections still behave oddly, make sure you are not in edit mode, press Enter or ESC to exit, and check for a protected sheet that prevents focus change. One key troubleshooting tip: disable add-ins or unprotect the sheet briefly. Many stuck selection problems come from protection or active add-ins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.